Hello everyone and welcome back to Glossybox UK's YouTube channel. For anyone that hasn't met me before, I'm Rebecca Jones and I'm the Senior Social Media Executive here at Glossybox UK. And every single month I usually bring you an unboxing video of our monthly box. However, this one is slightly different because Choose Your Own is back. If you haven't ever experienced Choose Your Own, then you're about to experience it, hopefully, because Choose Your Own is an opportunity. We here at Glossy give you, our loyal subscribers, the chance to be able to choose your 5th product. Now, when I tell you the 2 products you get to choose from for the December box is top tier. Top tier. The worth, wowzers. And this is for the December box, but of course if you're watching, it means that you're watching it within November, because we need to make sure you give us lots of time to be able to make sure that you get that chosen product delivered to your door from the 1st of December. Now let's look at the lineup. Now, I'm not going to show you what's in December's box just yet. You can see a little sneak peek in the November unboxing for December. So if you want to have a little look, fill your boots, go and have a little look at what the sneak peek is. But your 5th product is out of 2 Avant products. And here they are. Here they are, 30ml and a 50ml. Now, it's completely up to you which one you choose for your December box for your 5th product, but I will go through each of them and demonstrate the product, so it just allows you to, just helps you a little bit when it comes to choosing which product's going to be best for you. Now, it is out of the 30ml, the Pink Orchid Overnight Restoring Serum and the Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliator. Now, personally, I've used both of these before and they're both just as beautiful as each other. However, you only get to choose one and I'm going to demonstrate each of them. So again, it might make it a little bit easier for you when it comes to deciding. Now, the first one I am going to demonstrate is the face exfoliator, coming in at a worth of a whopping £92. Yes, this 50ml face exfoliator is worth £92. I've got to say, with Avant products, they do feel luxurious on the skin. They feel premium, they feel high quality. And I think I'm never really surprised by actually the price of these products, because when they're on the skin, they do feel pretty incredible. Now, an exfoliator is so important in your normal weekly routine. We'd recommend to use an exfoliator about twice a week. I wouldn't usually use it anymore. At very minimum once, but you need to be exfoliating the skin at least once to twice a week to really allow your normal routine to work. Without exfoliating, none of your other skincare products work as effectively. It's a fact, because you're just applying serums, moisturizers onto actual dead skin that you haven't removed. So you're just feeding dead skin, you're making that dead skin grow, and you're not actually penetrating the skin structures at all. So it's so important that you do exfoliate. So if you're someone that actually hasn't got an exfoliator in their routine, then it might be worth looking at this as an option to really just introduce you to exfoliating, and where it's really gentle as well. It's not going to irritate the skin, and it might be a really good starting point when it comes to exfoliation products. Now, it has rose extract, which is really hydrating, really soothing. So again, if you're someone with more of a sensitized skin type, then you should get on with this absolutely fine. It's got vitamin B5, which helps to maintain and lock onto moisture throughout the entire day. Alongside the little microbeads in there as well, you've also got glycolic, so you've got that double action of exfoliation. So again, it's going to make your skin look smoother, brighter, and again, really allow those products that you apply afterwards to work even better. So the best way to apply the exfoliator is actually dampening the skin first. So you ideally want to be cleansing the skin, and preferably at night time. It's more, I would say it's more beneficial exfoliating at night time, because the skin's resting, the skin's restoring, repairing itself overnight. And again, then you don't have to apply your SPF straight after. So I'd always recommend exfoliating more at night time. So maybe you've gone in with your double cleanse, you've really cleansed the skin, you're removing it, and the skin's still damp. You will then go in with your Avant Beautifying Face Exfoliator. Now, when I tell you you only need a pea-size amount, you only need a pea-size amount. You don't need a lot of this product. You want to work it into the fingertips and just gently apply it like you would a normal exfoliator. So really working it into the skin. I always make sure you work it into the hairline, especially if you wear makeup, because you'll be surprised at how much makeup does congregate around the hairline. Really work that into the T-zone, around the nose. What I love about this exfoliator, it doesn't feel harsh at all. It feels exactly how it says, and it's gentle. It's got tiny, very like sand-like beads in there, which are just gently refining and polishing the skin. Isn't making it feel remotely drying. It doesn't feel sensitized. And once you've really worked that into the skin, you can then go in and remove it. I'm actually going to go in with the pads that are featured in the November box, because I think these are just fantastic. And where they've got a gentle polishing texture to them as well, it's like you're giving yourself that double exfoliation. Just really working that exfoliator off. You can go directly with water, rinse it off as well. I just personally prefer to remove it with like a cloth or a pad. Now, my skin, oh, I wish you could feel how smooth that feels. Oh, I feel like a new woman. I'm just going to quickly dry my skin off camera and then I'll be back. Well, my skin feels absolutely divine. It feels so smooth. Doesn't feel irritated, nothing. It's just giving that really nice, smooth, hydrated finish, which I absolutely love, because I feel like when I go in now with serums and moisturisers, they're just going to glide on beautifully. And on that note, that introduces me to your next one. Next up, out of your choice of two, is the Avant Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. Now, this has got pink orchid extract in there. And pink orchid has actually been proven to help with the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and also help restructuring the elasticity within the skin. So absolutely give that to me, because I'm all for naturally helping to prevent any premature aging on the skin. It's also got peptides in there, which also helps prevent the skin from premature aging. Hyaluronic acid, which we all know and love, that's going to really help to lock in and rehydrate the moisture barrier within the skin. And it's also got plant extracts such as lactiflora root extract, leaf extract, and mallow, which is going to help to soothe and repair the skin overnight as well. So what an absolute beautiful all-round serum. Now this comes in at 30 ml and is worth £89. Yes, £89. So let's have a feel of it on the skin. Now, you say, for example, you're using this at night time, so you'd cleanse the skin, exfoliate if it's time for exfoliation, and then you would go in. Personally, I like to go in with my eye cream first, and then you would go in with a serum. Now, again, you don't need a lot of this product. I would say around, again, a 5p size amount. Again, warm it up in the palm of the hands. Glide over the skin. Again, this feels super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I've got no tingling sensation. It feels very gentle. Oh, it feels beautiful. It's absorbed really quickly as well. Like, it's absorbed straight into the skin, which is great, because I don't like tacky serums. I like to just be able to go in with my moisturiser and then I'm ready to either apply my foundation, makeup, or sleep. So I don't want something that's going to leave a residue. It's just beautifully sunk into the skin, but hasn't made it feel drying either. Again, beautiful product. So, oh, it's a hard one. That is a hard one. I feel sorry for you to have to choose one between them two. I'm not going to lie. So for anyone that's just tuning in, it is Choose Your Own. We try to do these a few times a year. And the month before it's due to launch in your boxes, we give you the opportunity to be able to choose your 5th product in the upcoming box. So this will be for your December box, which will arrive for you depending on when you're watching this, either in 4 weeks or in a week or in a day. Who knows when you're watching this? But this is for the December box, and you'll be able to choose your 5th product. Now, your 5th product is out of 2 Avant products, ranging from worth of £89 to £92, a serum or an exfoliator. So please look out for all communications, email, social media, here where you can find the link below for you to choose as well. Your Glossy Lounge, your account, look everywhere for communications to be able to choose this product and choose it before your specific product goes out of stock. So highly recommend you jump on it straight away so we can make sure, guarantee you get the product that you've chosen. But other than that, enjoy. Please let us know when you do get it, which products you have chosen or which one you're planning to choose by commenting below. But if you would like to see a sneak peek of the December box, then you can see it on the previous monthly unboxing for November right now. So happy watching, and I will see you all very soon.